A machine so powerful, so precise, and so refined that it turns every head as it glides onto the track. It's not just a car, it's an experience, a revolution in automotive design and engineering. By the time we're done, you'll see why it's the ultimate fusion of power, technology, and artistry. Welcome to Byte Buzz Innovations, your ultimate pit stop for luxury, performance, and cutting-edge automotive content. Here, we explore the finest machines on the planet, from industry-shaking innovations to legendary icons that set the standard for generations. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exhilarating rides to ever grace the supercar scene. Stay tuned, buckle up, and let's get right into it. Let's talk about what makes this particular beast of a machine so extraordinary. It's not just the insane acceleration or the mind-boggling top speed, though it has those in spades. What truly sets it apart is how seamlessly it balances raw power with everyday drivability, all wrapped up in futuristic design that looks like it was ripped straight from a sci-fi blockbuster. Under the hood, this supercar is equipped with a cutting-edge, high-performance battery that delivers a staggering range of 600 kilometers on a full charge. That's right, this isn't just fast, it's electric, and it's redefining what EVs can do. With dimensions that emphasize its low, wide stance, it's designed for maximum aerodynamics, slicing through the air with minimal resistance while still offering plenty of cabin space. When it comes to performance, this car doesn't just play, it dominates. The electric powertrain generates an astonishing 1,200 horsepower, launching it from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.6 seconds. Top speed? A mind-numbing 350 kilometers per hour. But it's not just about straight-line speed. Thanks to its advanced torque vectoring and adaptive suspension, it handles corners like a dream, hugging the road with precision and grace. Whether you're blasting down a straightaway or weaving through tight switchbacks, this car delivers an exhilarating, confidence-inspiring ride. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that's every bit as impressive as the performance. The cabin is a perfect blend of luxury and technology, with premium leather seats that cradle you in comfort and a sleek, minimalist dashboard dominated by a massive touchscreen display. From here, you can control everything: navigation, climate settings, drive modes, and more, with just a few taps or voice commands. And let's not forget the immersive sound system that turns your favorite playlist into a concert on wheels. Of course, no car is perfect, and this one does have its quirks. The low ground clearance, for instance, means you'll need to be extra careful on speed bumps and steep driveways. And while the range is impressive for an electric supercar, long-distance road trips will still require some careful planning to account for charging stops. But for those who crave speed, style, and cutting-edge tech, these are minor trade-offs. So, what do the experts and early adopters have to say about it? Reviews have been overwhelmingly positive, with automotive journalists praising its blistering performance, jaw-dropping design, and surprisingly smooth ride. Owners, meanwhile, rave about the instant torque, the seamless acceleration, and the sheer thrill of driving a car that feels like it's from the future. Some have noted that it takes a bit of getting used to, especially if you're coming from a traditional gas-powered car. But once you do, there's no going back. Now, let's talk about price. This level of performance and luxury doesn't come cheap, and with a starting price in the range of $250,000 to $300,000, it's definitely a car for those with deep pockets. But when you consider what you're getting, supercar-level speed, cutting-edge electric technology, and a design that's guaranteed to turn heads, it's easy to see why many consider it worth every penny. Compared to other vehicles in its class, it offers a compelling mix of performance, luxury, and innovation that's hard to beat. So, what do you think? Does this car have what it takes to be the ultimate supercar of the future? What feature do you think stands out the most? The blistering acceleration, the futuristic design, or the advanced tech? Let us know in the comments below. And if you had the chance, would you consider buying one? Why or why not? Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into one of the most exciting cars on the road today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Byte Buzz Innovations for more high-octane automotive content. We've got plenty more coming your way, from luxury car rivalries to deep dives into industry disruptions and the coolest abandoned supercars around the world. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and keep chasing that need for speed. See you in the next video.